Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to Rob in Motion. I'm on my way to go pick up my father, and we are going to head into the desert and shoot some guns. I have a couple guns I need to sight in with some new optics, and I'm sure my dad has a couple things he wants to do, but yeah, we're just gonna have a fun day out in the desert. It's a beautiful day, it's 60 degrees, and throw some lead down range and have a good time. Driving back home, dropped off my dad, hung out with him for a little bit, and I know the video probably wasn't that long, but it sure was fun. So we got to shoot a bunch of guns, now we got to clean them, but hey, it's part of the game, right? To shoot a gun that I never shot before, but I actually built it, well, I built the lower. So that was cool to see that thing's functioning and it's actually shooting very well. Again, thanks for following along for the day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, we'll see you.